Maharashtra State Board, Standard 9th, Science and Technology, Chapter 9, Environmental Management, Question and Answer, Part 3rd. Question number 4. Write notes on meteorology, and the answer is the science that study the interrelationship between the various components of air, natural cycles, geological movements of the earth and climate is called meteorology. Meteorology includes the study of storms, clouds, rainfall, thunder, lightning, etc. Depending upon the study of such factor, whether forecasts are made, they are useful to common people, farmers, fisheries, aviation service, water transport, and various other organizations. Second question of question number 4. Write the short note on climatic factors. The answer is climate play a very important role in our day-to-day life. It influences our basic needs like foods, clothing, and shelter, as well as our occupation. Climate is especially important for an agrarian country like India. Agrarian means agricultural. Various climatic factors like direction and speed of wind, temperature, atmospheric pressure, etc. are considered during construction of runway, seaport, huge bridges, and skyscrapers, etc. Third question of question number 4. Write the short note on monsoon model, and the answer is tradition of forecasting the monsoon season in India is older than 100 years. After the famine of 1877, H.F. Blandford, the founder of IMD, had made such a prediction for first time, taking the snowfall in the Himalayas as a parameter for this prediction. In the decade of 1930, the then director of IMD, Sir Gilbert Walker, had underlined the relationship between the various worldwide climatic factors and the Indian monsoon, and based on available observations and previous recordings related to this relationship, he put forth a hypothesis regarding the nature of the monsoon with the initiative of Dr. Basantrao Gowarikar in the decade of the 1990. A monsoon model based upon 16 worldwide climatic parameter was developed. This model was in use from 1990 to 2002. Next question of question number 4 is write the short note on industrial waste, and the answer is point number 1. Industrial waste are generated from various industries. Point number 2. These waste includes chemicals, oils, acids, sludge, pigments, metal, etc. Point number third, it is not only large in volume but also hazardous. Point number four, industrial effluent are disposed into nearby water bodies, which causes wastewater pollution. Point number five, many toxic gases are emitted in air which lead to air pollution. Next question number four is write the short note on plastic waste. And the answer is point number one, various domestic and urban wastes such as carry bags, disposable plates and cup, bottles, cans, packing material, etc. constitute plastic waste. Point number two, plastic waste contain harmful chemical and are hazardous. Point number three, these chemicals kill useful microorganisms in the soil and thus hamper natural decomposition process. Point number four, these wastes are not easily degraded by microbes, hence they are non-degradable waste. Point number five, use of plastic articles should be avoided. Question number six, basic principle of first aid. Write the short note on basic principle of first aid. The answer is point number one. First point is airway. If the victim has difficulty breathing, the head should be held in backward sloping position or the chin should be raised so that the respiratory passages remain open. Point number two, breathing. If breathing has stopped, the victim should be given artificial ventilation by mouth to mouth resuscitation. Point number third, circulation. If the victim is unconscious, then after giving mouth to mouth respiration twice, the heart should be pressed down hard by pressing the chest with both the palms. These two actions should be repeated alternately about 15 minutes. This is called cardiopulmonary resuscitation CPR. It helps to bring the circulation back to normal. Number 5. Give example of importance of climate in the living world with explanation in your own word. And the answer is point number 1. Daily weather as also long-term climatic condition influence human lifestyle directly or indirectly. Point number 2. Land, water bodies, plants and animals collectively form the natural environment on the earth. This environment this environment is responsible for the development of organisms. Point number 3, the climates of a particular region help to determine the diet, clothing, housing, occupation, lifestyle of the people that region. For example, the characteristic lifestyle of Kashmiri and Rajasthani people are different. Answer is continue on the next page. Number 4. Salinity of marine water, formation of oceanic current, water cycle, etc. are all related to various weather and climatic factors. Point number 5. Various climatic factors bring about the weathering of rock in the earth crust. Point number 6. Climate play a very important role in the formation and enrichment of soil. Point number 7. Microbes in the soil play an important role in the formation of organic material. This process depends upon various climatic factors.